The situation at Badlapur railway station has returned to normal. Meanwhile, a day after the protesters had staged an intense rail roko demonstration over the alleged sexual abuse of two young girls at a local school. Now, Badlapur railway station in Maharashtra's Thane district became a war zone as clashes broke out between police and protesters, angered by the sexual assault of the two four-year-old nursery girls. Thousands of protesters blocked the railway tracks at the Badlapur station, causing massive disruptions to local train services and leading to the diversion of several long-distance trains. As public outrage grew over the incident, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis ordered the suspension of the three police officials for their initial delay in taking action.
की घटना हुई है वो बहुत ही गंभीर है। वहाँ पर जिस प्रकार से दो बच्चियों के साथ वहाँ के एक सफाई कर्मी ने एक प्रकार से कुकर्म करने का प्रयास किया या कुकर्म किया है, ये बहुत ही गंभीर इस प्रकार की बात है और हम इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा निंदा करते हैं। और राज्य सरकार ने इस मामले में एक एसआईटी का निर्माण किया है। आईजी लेवल की महिला अधिकारी को एसआईटी का प्रमुख बनाया गया है। हमारा ये प्रयास है कि इस मामले की तुरंत जांच होकर और चार्जशीट भी जाए और फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट में इसको हम चलाने की कोशिश करेंगे ताकि जो पीड़िता है उनको एक प्रकार से उसमें न्याय मिल पाए, इस प्रकार का हमारा प्रयास होगा।
Now, on Tuesday, the Maharashtra government had announced the formation of a special investigation team to investigate the alleged sexual assault. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde stated that the accused would face trial in a fast-track court. Meanwhile, Shiv Sena UBT MP Priyanka Chaturvedi criticized the state government for neglecting the safety of women. Two girls were sexually assaulted in Badlapur, Maharashtra on the school premises. The entire state is outraged and seeks justice. I once again urge Rashtrapati Bhavan to approve the Maharashtra Shakti criminal law. No other child or woman faces this travesty. Shame on the state government to continue to ignore the safety of women. Meanwhile, the National Human Rights Commission has also taken sumoto cognizance of the reported sexual assault of the two minors in Badlapur and has requested a detailed report within 2 weeks. The district and police administration have suspended internet services in Badlapur police station's jurisdiction to prevent the spread of rumors via WhatsApp and other social media platforms. Reports indicated that the victims' parents were in fact forced to wait nearly 12 hours before being allowed to file a complaint at the police station. The school administration has also come under scrutiny for delaying action. It took 4 days to suspend the principal, dismiss the class teacher and nanny, and terminate the contract of the agency that employed the accused sweeper. It had resulted in intense anger in Badlapur as many of them in fact went and staged a rail roko. The police had to clash with those who were angry about it, and this resulted in tension in the area. Meanwhile, suspensions have also followed. Questions are being raised regarding the safety of the children who are attending that particular educational institution. Meanwhile, the principal and other authorities concerned have also been suspended. The sweeper has been taken into custody, who is the main accused in the case. Questions are being asked as to why it took the police a long time to register the case, especially it is being said that the parents were being made to wait 12 hours. Meanwhile, the opposition has slammed the state government and also has asked for the laws pending with the Rashtrapati Bhavan to be in fact approved immediately, saying that that's the only way that the minors and women can be in fact protected.
देखिए, मैंने मैनेजमेंट के साथ बात की, वहाँ के प्रिंसिपल से बात की, फिर वहाँ पे जो एनजीओज है जिन्होंने ये पहले इनिशिएट किए थी एक्शन, उनके साथ बात की, कहाँ क्या क्या हुआ, उसके बाद में डिटेल मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन ली और इसके बाद जो एक्शन लेना है उसके बारे में मैं अनाउंस करने वाला था आंदोलकों के सामने जाके, लेकिन इसके बीच में ही महाजन साहब ने किसी ने बोतल फेंक दिया और वहाँ पे वो लाठीचार्ज हो गया। तो इसके लिए मैं उनसे बात नहीं कर सका। लेकिन जो जेन्युइन आंदोलक है, मतलब उसमें बहुत सारे लोग जो पॉलिटिकल थे, उनसे तो बात नहीं करूंगा, लेकिन जो जेन्युइन आंदोलक है उनसे मैं कल शाम को बात करूंगा और उनकी जो भी समस्या है उसको हल भी करूंगा। जो डिले हुआ है मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से, इसके लिए वहां पे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर बिठाया जाएगा, उनको अपॉर्चुनिटी दी जाएगी उनका कहने के लिए, और ये एक्शन लिया जाएगा। जो वहाँ की प्रिंसिपल है उनको पोस्को की तरह में एक ये रहता है कि विद इन 24 आवर्स आफ्टर यू गेट द नॉलेज ऑफ द इंसिडेंट्स यू विल हैव टू रिपोर्ट टू द नियरेस्ट पुलिस स्टेशन। वो उन्होंने नहीं किया, उसके लिए उनको भी आरोपी बना जाएगा।